So here's how to delete theme in WordPress. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure you watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. So first, what you need to do is to open your browser and go to your WordPress website. I have pinned my website here. Now I am in my WordPress dashboard. I will delete extra themes. Extra themes are load-on website that makes the website slower. Deleting those themes will make your website secure and fast. To delete themes, go to Appearance, Themes. I will delete 2020 theme. But first, I will deactivate this theme because you cannot delete an activated theme. I will activate another theme to deactivate this theme. Let's activate 2015 theme. Now you can see that my website theme is changed. Keep in mind that deleting the theme will delete all the customizations of that theme. Now I am going to delete 2020 theme. Click on Theme Details. Then you will see Delete option in the bottom right corner. Click on it, then click OK. You can see that 2020 theme is deleted. This is how you can delete theme in WordPress.